Okay, we got okay, getx. This is the easiest way to do routing. This package is like one of the highest rated package. You can see this right here, right? But this is the easiest way to do state management, also routing, and it does a bunch of other things as well too, right? I'll probably do most of the series will probably be about this right here. It's to the point where people will say, "Oh, you're not really doing Flutter if you're doing getx." Well, if you want to make your life hard, use Riverpod or something else, Or if you want to make your life this framework makes your life easy. But enough talking. Let's do it like we used to it and get started. Okay. Okay. So we'll go Flutter, create, and we'll call this getx route. Okay, we got it. All right, so let's go in there and see getx routing. Okay. All right, now let's open up Visual Studio's code. All right, there we go. All right, first thing we have to do is we go down here to dependencies and we put in here get : okay, so it's going to install the get dependencies, right? Let me see if I can find this in the documentation real quick so you can see this. All right, see, and you put dependencies, and then you put this get .dart in the main package, or this get package in at the top. So let's go into lib here. We'll put this in main.dart, and we'll put this get package in there, right? So the other thing we have to do is once we're in this directory, so we'll do flutter pub get, okay. So and that's going to download all the dependencies. Okay, so we'll clear this out. All right, and so let's take out this stateful widget because we're going to take this out anyway, right? All right, so there we go. All right, so in order to get this get up and running, right, we're going to need to because what we're going to do is work on the routing today, right? All right, so let's just take this material app out of here, right? All right, and then what we're going to have to do is we're going to put get material app, and then I think it's get pages right here, and then get page. I love this IntelliSense right here, right? And I think we got to put an initial route, and it's going to be / okay. Put a semicolon down here, right? So now we're going to create a page, right? So we'll go down here and we'll create a stateless widget, and we'll put that page 1, okay. And we're going to have something else to route to, so we're going to do another stateless widget. All I'm doing is putting st and it gives you this right here, right? And then we'll put page 2, okay. So we have something to route to. What happened here? Why did it do that? All right, page 2, okay. Oh, damn dogs, man. Neighbor has a dog, okay. All right, so when we first we're gonna put so this one's going to be / right? And then we'll put in, it has to take in an anonymous function. So, and then we'll put it to page 1. And this is going to be our initial route. Okay, so it's going to bring us, it's going to hit this, and it's going to bring us to this first page right here. So let's run this and make sure everything runs good, right? So let me bring up a terminal here. Okay, so we'll go Flutter. And I like to test everything with Flutter Web, okay? All right. Okay, that was from the test I did before, right? So, all right, now that we have this page 1 set up, right? What we're going to do is we're going to take inside this container. You know what? We'll put a center around this. you know what, we'll take this page 2 out, and no, we're not going to do that. All right, so let me get that back so we don't get any errors here. All right, so we're going to put a center, because we're just going to do something simple, because I want to show you the concept before I start doing any apps or anything like that. So we're going to put a center, child, container, okay, and another child, and then we're going to put a text in there, and this text is going to say page 1, okay. All right, so let's see what we got here. Right, see, we got page 1 right here, right? Now this is ugly, right? So I'm going to just show you how to style this real quick, because it's really easy to do, right? And what you want to do inside of this text and put style, and then we're going to put text style, okay? And then here we're going to put decoration, what is it? It's underline 1. Well, first let's change the color, because we can just do that. So color goes colors dot, let's make this blue, okay? Okay, we'll make this light blue, right? So this should change it to light blue. Okay, it's doing a hot restart. Okay, there we go. We got a light blue thing, right? Okay, and I believe it is decoration, text decoration, text decoration. Usually it's text decoration, and then we'll put dot none. I think it is. Yep, dot none. Okay, and that'll take away that. Oh my God, my cable just fell out. See, so now that takes away that ugly underline right there, right? Okay, so now let's get it where we can route to the other page, right? All right, so we go up here, and this is how you just create another route, right? You just keep making pages inside of this. Just keep making pages inside of here, and you get your routes, right? So we'll put that, and then we'll put page 2, right? Name that anything, right? And I gotta put a comma up here. All right, so now we're gonna make page 2, okay? So we can test this like this. All right, we got page 1 and page 2, okay? What happened here? Did I put page 2 in correctly? What? Unable to resolve your. Okay, I think I got to do a hard restart. What is it? Shift R, right, for a hard restart. Started application. Okay. Oh, I didn't put anything in there. That's why you can't see anything. Okay. All right. Stupid me. Okay. So, you know what, we'll just copy what we have up here. We'll copy this center up here. That's why we didn't have anything, because we didn't put anything in there, right? All right, and then we'll drop this down here, and then we'll call this page 2, and we'll change this color to purple. All right, so now we should get it, right? Now we have page 2. That's by just changing the URL. So if we go back to slash, it'll give you page 1, okay? And we'll just do it again, just show page 2, right? So now we have page 2 come up there, right? All right, so now we want to make this where we can click to each page, right? And it's really simple to do, right? So let me go back to this page 1, right? So what we do inside of this text right here, just go right here and hit that, right? And if you click on this, you can put, if you see this over here, you can put wrap with widget, right? And what we're going to do is put a gesture detector in there, right? Wrap it in gesture detector. So now when we do on tap, we can put an anonymous function, And this is the format for routing. So you can put Get.to, and then you put you can put either you put page 2, okay, in there, right? So let's try this. All right, and now bam, it goes to page 2. So now we're going to want to go back to page 1, but we're going to use get.named this time, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is put this in a come on, what the hell is that? I didn't tell it to do that. All right, so now we're going to put this, you are killing me out here, guys. Okay, so now we're going to come here, then we're going to wrap this in another widget, right? And then we'll put GestureDetector, right? We'll do the same thing. So on tap, and then we'll put anonymous function, and then we'll put Get.toNamed, okay? And you see that comes up there, right? And then this name will be slash. It'll be the path of the page. If we wanted to go to page 2, we can put slash page 2. Okay, so now this should work, and we should be able to go back and forth between pages, right? All right, so why is this not working? So get to page 2, Get.toNamed slashed. Let me try to restart that again. Oh, gotta go back to the first page first in order for it to load correctly. All right, so page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2. All right, that's basically how you navigate here, right? So that will conclude this video. I just wanted to show you the concept of how you can route with getx. We'll go through the state management. I'm going to do quite a few videos. Well, I'm going to do a few videos on this because I'm itching to make a project. So stay tuned. And thank you for your time and attention.